In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the forecasting tool in HubSpot effectively. Forecasting is critical for any business that wants to plan its growth and manage resources efficiently, and HubSpot provides a comprehensive platform to handle this with ease. So let's dive into how you can use this tool to get accurate forecasts for your business. First, we'll need to access your HubSpot account. To do this, head over to HubSpot's official homepage. You'll find the homepage as the primary gateway to all of HubSpot's tools and features. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to enter your login credentials and gain access to your account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, make sure to have your phone or authentication device near, as you might need it to verify your access. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all the tools at your disposal. Now turn your attention to the navigation bar. Here you will want to find the reporting section. Click on reporting to reveal a submenu with various options. Among these options you'll see the forecast tool. Click on this to proceed. The forecast tool serves as your main interface for managing and viewing forecasts. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with visuals and data summaries that pertain to your business's performance predictions. But to get the most out of this tool, we need to create specific goals that align with your business strategy. On this forecast page, scan for the option that says Create Goal. This allows you to set precise targets for your team, giving them clear objectives to achieve within a predefined time frame. Creating goals is pivotal because it structures your business forecast around specific achievement points. When you click on Create Goal, you'll be asked to define the parameters of your goal. This can include things like revenue targets, timeline, and which team members are responsible for different elements. Tailor these fields to match your company's specific objectives. Once you have set up these goals, the forecasting tool will factor them into its analyses and reports. Remember, defining achievable goals and regularly updating them is crucial as your business grows and changes. Having these goals will not only help you achieve better accuracy in your forecasts, but will also enable you to make informed decisions based on the projections. With this, you are now ready to maximize the potential of HubSpot's forecasting tool. Keep in mind that regular monitoring and adjustments are necessary to maintain an accurate and dynamic forecast. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this HubSpot tool as useful as I do for planning your business's next steps.